Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving in to the 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper is here, redefining the standard for electric crossovers. Sleek, futuristic, and efficient, this updated Model Y continues Tesla's legacy of innovation. Tesla has refined the exterior with subtle yet impactful upgrades. The new aerodynamic front fascia, paired with slimmer LED headlights, not only enhances its futuristic appeal, but also boosts efficiency. Streamlined side panels and updated 20-inch alloy wheels complement its modern silhouette. The Juniper Edition introduces new paint options, including the stunning Glacier Blue and Midnight Silver. At the rear, a refreshed light bar connects redesigned taillights, creating a bold statement as you drive away. The Model Y Juniper packs dual motors, delivering 384 horsepower and a remarkable 0 to 60 time of just 4.8 seconds. With a range of up to 330 miles, it's a balance of performance and practicality. Interior design. Step inside and you're greeted by a minimalist yet luxurious cabin. Tesla's new sustainable materials elevate the interior with soft-touch surfaces and premium vegan leather seating. The centerpiece is the updated 15-inch touchscreen, now with a faster processor and customizable widgets for a more intuitive experience. The Juniper Edition also introduces ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. Passengers in the rear are treated to increased legroom and reclining seats, making long drives more comfortable than ever. And of course, the panoramic glass roof offers an unparalleled sense of openness, connecting you to the world around you. The 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper, where cutting-edge performance meets sophisticated design. Experience the future of driving today.